This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 7 of building Optimus Prime, the leader of the Transformers, the Autobots. This issue we're going to continue with the foot, the giant foot that we started before. After, of course, looking through the magazine and seeing about Michaela Baines. Don't remember her. The Ark, yes, that was the thing that the Autobots came to Earth on, I believe, if that's the thing. Might not be remembering correctly. Prowl, yeah, I remember the name of Prowl. Return of the Decepticons. I didn't think they ever went away. I vaguely remember that one. Can't say I remember that one. But yeah, the triple thing, very short-lived as far as I recall, but might not have been. Don't remember the Beatles. No, got no memory of those bits. I remember the heat stickers though. That was apparently to there was a lot of fakes in America, and these stopped that, or at least made it harder for them to make them fake, or at least to make them seem that they were real. So yes, we're doing the elements of the sole of the right foot, building up on the right foot a little bit more. So it'll look a bit like that. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it together. So here we have the parts from today. Obviously the foot and the other little loose bit of the foot from before. First of all, we're going to put that bit together with this. Simply goes on that way round, and we have one screw to hold that in place. I'm going to use a bigger screwdriver. That's quite a big screw. Screw from that side. Mainly plastic parts in this stage, but we won't let that worry us. Go get that in there like so. Nice. That is then going on to this bit, that bit of that bit across there, and that is being held in place with one of these screws, again from the inside. So I'm hoping I can use my screwdriver through that hole there. Oh yeah, look at that. Almost like they planned it that way. Get that through there. And that down on that. Button that down a little bit further, I think. A little bit loose in there. That'll do it. That's as tight as I'm happy getting it. A little bit loose though. Maybe I should go a bit tighter. I can't really use a bigger screwdriver because it might not fit through the hole there. You're making a difference. Yeah, it's a little bit tight. I'm happy with that. That's okay. Then we need to bring in the foot from before, which goes on this side. Like that. Am I putting it on the correct place? No, I'm not. I'm putting it on completely the wrong place. It goes on the other side. Around there. And that screw goes in there as well. We have it. I don't get what this bit is. I know it's the underside of the foot, but how undersided should it be? And we've got the whole foot. Is that going to go sort of in the middle bit there somewhere and be bits? I don't know. I know we're not attaching this today. Yeah, not entirely certain. Then we're going to be attaching this bit onto there, like so. Very strange. Very strange. I mean, I like all the little detaily bits, and I shall have to go back and watch the films again, and try and see if I can see any of these little elements in it when Prime is walking about. I'm thinking I probably won't. It's all just very tiny little details and things. Right way up. Yes, that's the right way up, or is it not? No, I think that might be. It might be the wrong way up. I think I might have done that bit wrong back in the day because I think it needs a flat side on the underneath. It definitely needs a flat side on the underneath, but it definitely has that curve going that way. So I shall remove that, flip it round, but I'll do that later because I don't need to use that anymore. We'll put that to one side and I shall remember to do that. We're going to not need any more screws either. The rest of this all pushes together onto the foot. So first of all, we've got to assemble this bit. It's got the little pin goes into there, and then that goes on there that way. It's got to be that way around because there's no hole on that end. That goes on there. Some sort of interesting looking gear. That goes on there. Does it go? Doesn't go that way around. It just has it pointing downwards. A bit like that. On there as it gets. Cool. Then this corkscrew thing goes on. Where are we? That way round. It's those two pins there. 3 pins rather that hold that in tight on there. Nice. And finally, this one fits on there that way round, I believe. 2 pins hold that together. He's getting there. He's got to be inside there somewhere. He's got 2 posts there, and there's 2 posts there that look suspiciously like they're the same distance apart. Going to go on there like so, and that. So yeah, I need to turn that over because all the other bits have got the flat sides on the bottom. But that is that. We're not actually putting that together as yet, but for now, I will. And we are progressing and building up on the foot. A lot of nice detail on there. I like that. So that is that for another issue done. Join me very soon for the next one. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.